That's your croaker.
Hey, shit, keep it.
There's no limit in no size, right?
I don't think so for those.
If you would have told me 2.5 months ago that I would be grabbing fish with my hands, I would have told you you've lost your mind. When others feel that there's things that you won't do, it's not the point of proving them wrong. It's the part of proving yourself that you can do it.
You gotta grow some more. You gotta grow some more. Come on, big one. Come on. Come on, Big Daddy. He got off. Come on, Jackson. Come on. There's another little croaker. I'm gonna let him go. He lucky this time. See, y'all playing with me. Y'all playing with the kid. I need your mama and your daddy. Ugh.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.